Hello everyone, how are you? This is Darshan Sharma, your math faculty, and in today's class, we are talking about the amazing mathematic trick which is multiplication by 11. Before this, you are using the traditional method of multiplying two-digit number by 11, but after this class, it might be surprising to you. You have to multiply two-digit number without using the pen and paper and impress your friend and family. So let's deep down into the lecture and solving some problems with the traditional method, and after that we have to use our secret formula to solve the multiplication by any two-digit number with the 11. So let's deep down into the class. Let's start it. So here are some problems I will create it for you. So you have to solve them quickly by our traditional method. So first problem is 23 multiplied by 11. So we have to simply multiply this problem like that, and we have to solve them. We use 1 to multiply 2 and 3, so it will give 3, 2. Then again we have 1 to multiply by 23, it will give you 2 and 3, and the final answer is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2. The final answer is 253, like that. Similarly, we have one another problem. So it will be 45 multiplied by 11. Similarly, we have to multiply it by traditional method like that. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Again 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, and it will give the 5, 9 and 4. So the final answer is 495. Similarly, we have one more problem. So 78 is multiplied by 11, and again we use traditional method to solve them. So 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 multiplied by 7 is 7, 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. It will give you 8, 7 and 8 is 15, so 5, 1 carry, and it will be 8. So the final answer is 858. Tell me one thing, to use this kind of method, it will take your 2 to 3 minutes of solving a one problem. But what if I say you after we have to use our secret formula, this type of problems, you have to solve them quickly in just a seconds. So the today's class, what we have to learn in our today's class. So the today's learning is multiplication any two-digit number by 11 mentally, not in the pen and paper. You have to multiply it in your brain. So we have to learn in this class is multiply any two-digit number by 11 mentally and solve questions in seconds. In previous slide, we used traditional method and solved the problems using traditional method. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, but after using our secret formula, it will be solved in just a second. So using these tricks, you have to impress your friend and families. So let's become mental math magician. Okay, so first I ask a simple question to you all. Which multiplication is easier? 23 is multiplied by 10 or 23 is multiplied by 11? I sure most of you take this problem is most easier problem, because you know the multiplication trick by 10 is simple. We have to add one zero at the last of the digit. So the answer is 230, because here we have to multiply 23 by 10. So simply we put a 0 at the end. But what I said to you, after this class, you will definitely think this problem is more easier, because we have to create a secret formula in this class. So we solve this problem after implementing our secret formula. So let's deep down again into the class, and we have to find what our secret formula. So the secret formula is a AB multiplied by 11. I clear what is AB here. We have two digit numbers like 12, like 23, like 78, like 45. These all are our two-digit numbers. So what is A and B here? We have to simply A and B. A is the first digit of our number. So first digit in 12 is 1 and B is the second digit of the number is 2. So and again in 23, what is the first number, first digit in the number is 2 and second digit number is 3. Similarly in 78, 7 and 8. Similarly in 45, 4 and 5. So this is our A and our B. A is similarly the first digit from the number, first digit from the number is A and B is second digit of the number, second digit. Because in this class we have to take two digit numbers. In further classes we use 3 digit, 4 digit and so on. So for this class our A is the first digit of the number and B is second digit of the number. And I already clarify you what is the first and what is the second digit. In 12 we have first digit is 1 and second digit is 2. Similarly in 23 we have 2 is the first digit and 3 is the second digit. So our AB into 11 we have to discover our formula here. So what is the formula we have to discover? Let's see here. AB multiplied by 11. This means two digit number is multiplied by 11. Two digit number is multiplied by 11. So the formula is first we have to put the first digit here like A. Then we have a simple box for the second digit of the answer and at the last we have the second digit is B. And in between we have to add the both the digits of the number A plus B. I hope it will be difficult now, but when we solve the examples it will be clear and simple for you. Let's take some examples. What is A plus B and B for the answer? So our secret formula it will become the A and then A plus B and finally is B. So it will give out the answer of multiply any two digit number by 11 in the few seconds. So let me take first example of 12. So 12 multiply by 11. Here A is 1, B is 2. I already clear what is A and what is B. So put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and we have sum of A plus B is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So similarly we arrange this and make our answer. So first A is come, A means 1, in middle A plus B means 3 and at the end our last digit means 2. So 12 multiplied by 11 it will give us 132. I think now the whole process is clear to you. Let's practice one question and again we have to simplify our formula. I think some of you can't understand this, but after this example we have to use it in our all formulas and you have to learn how to use this trick in all these questions. Okay, so let's try 23 multiplied by 11. Use the secret formula and solve mentally. So what is A in 23? Please answer what is A in 23 and what is B in 23. A is the first number of the digit. So first number of the digit and B is the second digit of the number. So here we have 2 is A and B is 3. So simply we wrote 2 and 3 and we have to blank the space for the between because here is the sum of A and B means sum of A and B means 2 and 3. So plus 2 and 3, it will give us the 5. We simply put 5 in the between. So our answer is 253 of multiplication 23 into 11. I hope this will give you a clarify how the trick work and how we can use this in the generally we have to multiply two digit number with the 11. So if you got this, please solve this problem and tell me the answer in the comment section. I also solve this with you, so you have to also check your answer on the board. Here are 45 multiplied by 11 means 4 and 5. We have a middle term and we simply in the middle we have the addition of both the digit. So 4 plus 5 it is 9. So in the middle it will be 9 and our answer is 495. Simple. Again we have third practice question 63 multiplied by 11 mentally. Solve this and share your answer in the comment section. I also solve it here. So simply we have A is 6, B is 3. So we have to use our secret formula, solve it mentally like that. So A is 6, B is 3 and in mid there is a sum. So it will be 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. In middle is 9 and the final answer is 693. We generally separate this both the number and at the middle we have to use the sum. Simply it will be 9. So the answer is 693 and means 693. Now the challenge time for you all. Please solve them quickly and give me answer quickly because now you have to understand how we can multiply two digit number by 11 using our trick. So simply we have 78 multiplied by 11, 89 multiplied by 11 and 34 multiplied by 11. Here we have some challenges. What challenges we have faced here? Let's check. 78 means A is 7, B is 8 and the sum of A plus B it will be 7 plus 8 and it 7 plus 8 is generally 15. So you say, sir, we are using this is less than 10 in our previous questions. But what if the number of two digit sum is greater than 10? I will tell it in our further next slide. Let's see the check our second problem. So this is our first problem, this is our second problem. Here A is equal to 8 in 89 and B is equal to 9 and the sum of A and B it will give you 8 plus 9 17. It is also greater than 10. So how we can manage this? We cannot simply put 7, 15 and 8. This is the wrong answer. Here also 8, 17 and 9. It will also wrong answer. What the challenge we have to face here? We have to solve this challenge in the next slide. But you have simply solved this because A is 3 and B is 4. So sum of A and B is 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the answer is A is equal to 3. Sum of both number is 7 and B is 4. 374 is the answer. But what if the sum of 2A and B is greater than 10? So here we have to introduce our carry case introduction. What is the carry case introduction? It is very simple. You just have to carry the number and add it with our A and you can get the answer easily. So here is our first carry case, a new challenge. So here the problem is 58 is multiplied by 11. What happened when the middle digit add up to more than 9? In our previous slide, these are greater than 9, 10. These are also greater than 10. So what we have to use our carry case introduction. Simply, A in this problem, our A is 5, our B is 8, and our formula for to solve this is A. In middle, we have to use A plus B, and at the last, we have to take our B. So, what is the A plus B here? 8 plus 5, it will give you the 13. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is greater than 9. It's a 2 digit itself. So we have to put our 3 from the 13 and 1 is carried to the A. So now the answer it will become is our A is 5. So 5 plus 1 from carried it will be become 6. Now A is become 6. A middle term is 3 from 13 and the last term is B means 8. So the final answer is 638. I hope you understand this. If you have any problem, please ask in the comment. We have to solve further question in the carry case introduction. So you have to clear all this thing about the carry problems. Let's practice some more examples like that. So we have 69 multiplied by 11 here in our first problem. What is the A here? A is the 6. What is the B here? B is 9. A plus B is simply 6 plus 9. It will give you the 15. And 15 is always greater than 9. So we have to use carry practice here. In the middle term A plus B, we have to take 5 from this 15 and 1 is goes to the carry to the A. So A will become 6 plus 1, A will become 7. So our final answer is 7, middle term is 5 and B is 9. I hope you understand this. We have to carry our digit from here to the A because our formula is A plus B and B. So B is 9, A plus B is 15. So we have to use A plus B is 15. So we take 5 from here and 1 is goes to the carry to the A. Means 1 is added in the A. So A is 6, then we add 1 from the carried, so it will become the 7. So the final answer is 579. Let's do next questions and please comment your answer in the comment section. We have to solve the second problem from here. Similarly, second problem 87 multiplied by 11. So what is the A from here is 8, B from here is 7. Similarly, add 8 or 7, it will give you 15 again. So we have to use in our middle term is 5 and carry 1 to our A. A is 8. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now our A is 9, middle term is 5 and B is 7. So the answer is 957. I hope you understand this carry practices. Here 95 multiplied by 11, our A is 9, B is 5 and A plus B is equal to 9 plus 5. It will give you answer 14. From here our middle term is 4. 1 carried to the A, it will become the 1. It will be 10. So the answer is B 5, middle term is 4 and A is 10. So answer is 1045. I hope now you understand all these carry practices, and if you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. And this is some quizzes for you. Please solve them and answer in the comment section. I quickly write the answer here using our trick. So the first problem is 3, 2 and 32 multiplied by 11. It will give you 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2. The first answer is this. Second, we have 41 into 11. It will give you 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 4. Second answer. Third is 7 plus 4. It will give you 11. So our B is 4. 11, 1 is here, 1 goes to carry and it will become the 8. So the answer is 814. Similarly here, fourth is our B is 5, sum of both is 10, so 0 is here and 1 is goes to the carry, it will be added with the 5, so it will be 6. So the answer of 55 into 11 is 605. I hope you understand all these things and how we can take the carry. We also, there are lots of real world example of multiplication of 11, so we have to solve them quickly here. 11 chocolates costing 25 each means 11 multiplied by 25. Similarly, we have A and B in 25. A is 2 in 25, B is 5 in 25, so 5 is here, 5 plus 2 is 7 in the middle and A is 2 is ahead. So the answer is 275. Again, 11 notebook costing 48. 11 notebook costing 48 rupees. So it will be 11 multiplied by 48. Now in 48, our A is 4, B is 8 and A plus B is 12. So 12 is a greater than 9. So it will be goes to in the carry format. So B is 8. From 12 we have to 2 here and 1 goes to carry for the A. So A will become 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 528. Similarly, in the next problem, please solve this quickly and answer in the comment section. So 11 multiplied by 12. It will be simple here. We have to multiply 12 by 11. So our A in 12 is 1. Our B in 12 is 2. A plus B is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the final answer is B is 2. Middle term is 3. First term is 1. So the answer is 132. I hope you understand all these problems. Please solve this super challenge problem for you and all these problems without using pen and paper in your mind. So this is for your homework. Please practice this question. If you have any doubt in the homework section, please ask in the comment section. So now we are going to wind up this class. Congratulations, great job, you did amazing. And today's class we have to learn how to multiply two-digit number by 11, mental metric, our formula and fast calculation. So keep practicing all these questions and thank you so much for now. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.